What's good, YouTube? Back with another video again, and as you can see, now it's time for the Chrysler teardown. And pretty much gonna be the same process, work from front to back, you know, and we're gonna get it. You know, sorry for the late uploads and shit, but just because I'm recording in 4K, it kind of takes a little minute for my video to be uploaded to YouTube and shit. So, but today I'm about to start tearing down the 300, get it ready for the Magnum, which is all stripped out and shit sitting over there. So, you know, go ahead and get started on this. Alright, first thing I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna take off the front bumper, headlight, etc., etc. Just work my way back till I can drop the motor. See, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to redo this car, because look at shit like this, like what the fuck, that shit, motherfuckers just left wires and shit down here, leaking, bolts missing and shit. So it's one of the reasons I need to redo it for myself and shit, so I know what's there and what's not. Alright, so I pretty much pulled all these wires off, horn, and you know, everything that was right here. Then about to pull this face off and you know, draining the fluids right now. Make sure y'all do that. Make sure y'all drain all the fluids, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I got the exhaust off, drive shaft out. What's next? I'm about to start loosening the suspension, and I gotta go to O'Reilly's to get a part to get these upper control arms off. Motor's pretty much ready to come out. Only got the wires that's left for this fuel hose right here. I need to get that off. I need to go to O'Reilly's to get the tool for that, but pretty much everything else is disconnected. So go ahead and get those upper control arms off, and then should be ready to be dropped.